Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of maternity wear, specifically focusing on a product that's been making waves in the market, the Stelle nursing bra. If you're an expecting mom or currently breastfeeding, this might just be the perfect addition to your wardrobe. Let's find out why. First off, let's talk comfort. The Stelle nursing bra is all about that ultimate comfort experience. Made from high-quality, breathable nylon spandex fabric, this bra ensures you stay comfortable all day long. And trust me, comfort is key, especially during pregnancy and nursing. But it's not just about comfort, it's also about functionality. With lightly lined, removable cup pads, this bra offers subtle lift and breathability. Plus, the full coverage design provides that extra support you need. And here's the best part, it's wireless. No annoying wires digging into your skin. Now, you might be wondering how the Stelle nursing bra stacks up against other options on the market. Well, let's take a quick look at some comparisons. While brands like Momcozy offer similar features, what sets Stelle apart is its exceptional quality and affordability. And just look at these happy faces. It's clear that the Stelle nursing bra is making a difference in the lives of moms all around the world. So, if you're in the market for the best bra during pregnancy and nursing, look no further than the Stelle nursing bra. What more could you ask for? Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time.